You can be truly aware and enjoy every bit of life only if you're conscious that you're mortal. What does mortality mean? Mortality is not some morbid idea. Mortality means you are clearly aware and conscious that you are on a limited lease of time. Only when you are aware that you are on a limited lease of time can you put this time, which we call as our life, to its best use. Make this most beautiful because we know it is a limited amount of time. One who is not conscious of his mortal nature will naturally invest themselves into things which are not life-oriented, into things which are accumulatory in nature, not profoundness of life. May you be always conscious that you are a limited amount of time, you are a limited amount of energy, and make the best out of that.